Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. Today I'm showing you our Revelstoke Tunnel Bag. So this is the Revelstoke Tunnel Bag. It's 16 liters of storage. To access it, you use the roll top design and go into there. So to get a 100% waterproof seal, 1, 2, 3 rolls. Flip the sides, you're good to go. So the bag comes with 4 straps. I have one here on our 500 EXC and our 120 Aero kit. So the bag comes with 4 included anchor straps. You can see this timber sled has rails to wrap it around. If you do not have rails or anchor points, you can add our Giant Loop mounts. We sell them as a pair, so you could put mounts there, drill your own as an anchor point. We also sell a strap kit that has 4 of these in straps if you wanted to add mounts to your bike or sled. And you'll see our 1 gallon gas bag fits perfect underneath. You can also get the 2 and 3 gallon on there. So all you have to do for this bag with the included straps, you take the 4 straps, you tighten them down on all 4 edges and it stays tight. It's just as wide as your track for a snow bike or snowmobile. Your gas bag is super secure. Tools, repair kits, beacons, your shovel, your second shovel, you should carry the first one on your back. So all the food, supplies, and tools you need for a day out in the mountains, this is the perfect setup. So thanks for watching, and check these out.